I've been using the Polymarket app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a reliable platform for prediction markets in 2025. Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market platform that allows users to speculate on the outcomes of real-world events by buying and selling shares tied to specific outcomes. The app operates on the Polygon blockchain, ensuring transparency and security in transactions. Users can engage in markets covering a wide range of topics, from politics and sports to technology and global events. The interface is user-friendly, providing real-time updates on market trends and probabilities, which can be particularly engaging for those interested in current affairs and forecasting. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Polymarket has faced regulatory challenges, leading to restrictions in certain jurisdictions, including the United States, France, Singapore, and Belgium. Some users have reported issues with market resolutions, citing instances where outcomes were disputed or not aligned with widely accepted facts. Additionally, the platform's reliance on cryptocurrency, specifically USDC, may pose a barrier for users unfamiliar with digital assets. It's also worth noting that while the app offers insights into public sentiment, it should not be solely relied upon for decision-making, especially in areas requiring rigorous analysis. In summary, Polymarket presents an innovative approach to understanding and engaging with real-world events through prediction markets. Its decentralized nature and real-time data can offer valuable perspectives, but users should exercise caution and be aware of the platform's limitations and regulatory landscape. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next one.